Nvidia shares are trading at 893.98 and are up 1% today. And if we zoom out to the year, they are actually up over 245% just in this year alone. And I wanted to make a video just based on a lot of the news that I've been seeing, saying they're having a Taylor Swift moment, the stock is sliding, this, and that, based on their new chip announcement. There's a lot of hype going around this stock, and I just wanted to explain sort of the sensitivity and the volatility and why this stock is doing what it is, because look at that chart. I mean, just insane. And a lot can be explained by the income statement. If we take a look at their past revenues and net income, you can see some massive growth here, especially in the quarterly. We're doing really, really well out here. Great EPS growth, great revenue, great income growth. And actually, Nvidia beat 100% of quarterly earnings expectations in the past 4 quarters by an average of 19.5%. That is absolutely mental. Their current PE ratio is actually 74.9, which is very high. And it's actually double the semiconductor equipment and materials industry average of 35. There is 3 years worth of growth built into this stock on top of the already high valuation of the industry. And just taking a look at any possible red flags, I'm not seeing much, but I do see a debt to equity of 0.53, which is a very good debt to equity. However, that's at this sort of valuation, and if the stock were to ever come down, the debt to equity would come shooting up. But they do have a lot of cash and assets on hand, so I'm not super concerned about that at this time. But yeah, Nvidia Corp is doing very well, and they're expected to do very well, and that's why the stock is as high as it is today. And hopefully they can keep knocking those earnings expectations out of the park.